Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. A long time ago I was thinking about a new project to do for the channel. I came with the idea to do a neon sign like the one you see with my name, my logo. And I thought to myself, okay, don't use the neon because you have to deal with the glass, you have to deal with high temperature, high voltage. It's not something you do like a DIY project for the first time. You have to have a craftsman used to work with this kind of stuff. So I found out of this stuff. It's called L-wire. And I said, well, it could be nice to do something like with this, maybe with a plexiglass tube or something like that. But after I purchased it, I find out that this kind of stuff is not very luminescent as you see. It's really poor, really weak. The light they made now is flashing. It's you barely see that it's flashing, and so I put aside this project. But also I thought I don't want to waste this stuff. I was watching the TV and I watch for the thousandth time the movie Tron, and I say, why I don't use this to make a Tron style backpack. So with a really poor handy sewing, I will try to put the L-wire on my backpack, the white one in the front and the red one in the back, so maybe I should be visible when I go around with a bike, by walk by night, and so on. So it's really a challenge, but why not to try? Let's start. Let's see what is the better way to start, from the end or from the beginning. Maybe the end should be this one. Maybe it's better to start from the beginning. I want to do this way, this way, this way, this way, like this. Let's use needles. The nice things about this cable is this one. You can cut it and it's still to work. And I don't waste the remaining part of the cable because I can cut out and solder to another plug and use the remaining part. I really hate this part of the job. Really, really, really hate. Ole! Finish, we can cut this image. Okay. Now some shrinking tube. I do like it. Now we have to find the path on the front, on the back, let's see, for the red wire. Over here, all the way around, when we can come inside and do this one where to hand. We can see. It would be nice like this. If I do this way with the part with the shrinking tube, I go in black this way, and I finish like this. Should work. Here I use a shrinking tube, so when I come back I won't have a double light wire, but just one. The last part is cleaning the electrical wire with soldering and removing the plug, so in case of rain I don't have a weak point. And finally I have my bag, Tron style, white one and red one. Yes, with the light it's not so visible, but as you can see in the dark, it's quite old style, fancy. We say it, pretty neat. I like it. I like it a lot. I also try to solder with a cutting wire, a solder new plug. It's quite difficult because the wire inside the EL wire is really thin, but it's doable with a steady hand, which I don't have at all. Maybe I will try in the future some kind of new project with this kind of stuff, but so far I like what I've done, so it's doable, and we'll see what comes in the future. We arrived at the end of this video. If you like it, remember to give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please leave a comment and tell me why you didn't like it. Remember to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and see you on the next project. Ciao!